You got one individual down, shots fired.
Gunmen taking children hostage at a Garrison elementary school.
Open door left.
It's a scenario that's almost impossible to train for without disrupting normal community operations.
Team of 7 people now.
That's why U.S. Army Garrison Grafenwehr partnered with the Joint Multinational Simulation Center for the Garrison's annual force protection exercise.
Here's the second level here.
Together, they designed and built a virtual Grafenwehr and nearby Netzeburg housing area.
Red's clear coming up.
As part of the exercise, emergency first responders used Army gaming technology to maneuver and react to a variety of complex challenges, such as evacuating the elementary school.
Hey, can we get these people out of here?
Being able to bring a little bit more realism, even though it's virtual, it's something that you can't necessarily recreate out in the field.
The simulations allowed the garrison to use a command post exercise in a nearby building to meet its force protection training objectives. Community leaders monitored and reacted to the virtual scenario exactly the same way they would in a live training event or real emergency. But the virtual environment let them better hone their standard operating procedures by injecting a variety of training challenges into the scenario that simply could not be replicated on a normal community weekday.
It's as realistic as it can be without actually being on the ground, and that's what I like about this. That's why I see CPX with the JMSC as a future.
Simulation training means no rerouted traffic, no closed gates, no community interruptions.
We're not inconveniencing anybody on post, because we're not going to be blocking any roads. We're not going to have people asking what's going on. We're doing this all within the confines of 2 buildings.
The JMSC's expertise in tailoring simulation training to meet any unit's training objectives, combined with the relative ease and low cost of setting up virtual training, could make this the prototype for force protection exercises in U.S. military communities throughout Europe.
Got several people walking around.
Exercise planners say virtual training isn't perfect, but it does provide an efficiency and flexibility garrisons need to be ready for any crisis. And that will hopefully prevent community members from having a less than perfect day in both replicated and real emergencies.
They were both down there.
For the Joint Multinational Training Command, Marquardt, Grafenwehr, Germany.
6-0 and Delta 6 are out here.